Hello. Ever feel like the world around you is speaking a secret language? Like, why does this bulb glow? And why does this nail rust? Today, we're cracking that code. We're diving into the amazing world of elements, the building blocks of everything. Imagine you're a master chef, and instead of ingredients like flour and sugar, you're working with the purest stuff in the universe. These are the elements. They're like the fundamental flavors that make up every single thing you see, touch, and even breathe. We're talking about hydrogen, the lightest element, making blimps and balloons float. Or carbon, that we wear as jewelry. Or coal, that we burn to provide energy for our homes. Each element is unique, like a special ingredient with its own superpowers. Here's the cool part. There aren't an infinite number of these ingredients. Scientists have discovered and organized them all. There are only about 118 known elements, and that's it. And they're all laid out in a special chart we call the periodic table of elements. Elements are pure substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances. Some examples of elements include hydrogen, oxygen, carbon, and iron. The periodic table helps us understand the relationships between the different elements. The table is organized into rows called periods and columns called groups. Elements in the same group have similar properties. For example, the elements in group 1 are all soft, silvery metals that react violently with water. The elements in group 1 are called alkali metals. They are all highly reactive and have one outermost or valence electrons. The elements in group 2 are called alkaline earth metals. They are also reactive, but not as reactive as the alkali metals. They have two valence electrons. The elements in group 17 are called the halogens. They are all nonmetals and are highly reactive. They have 7 outermost or valence electrons. Another important group is group 18 called the noble gases. They are all nonmetals and are very unreactive. Most of these elements have 8 outermost electrons. The periodic table is a powerful tool that helps us understand the relationships between different elements. By studying the periodic table, we can learn a lot about the properties of elements and how they behave. Thank you so much for watching our video today.